Okay, we're in a park today, so we're gonna explore and check out all these statues. They're kind of all over the place. And this is basically called the Park of Sculpture, the Sculpture Park of the Chinese Ethnics. That's the sign right there. So let's get right into it and check it out today and get sidetracked. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're just gonna check things out. Basically, all these things are different ethnic groups in China, Dong. So looks like, I don't know, that one looks pretty interesting. And actually we have so many different directions we can go in. This whole park is just kind of filled with ethnic minority sculptures. So let's see, here's another one. It's a different look altogether as well. Little baby, the meow. I might be mispronouncing that. There's just so many different directions to go in here. I don't even know how to approach it. The yi. So you can see some of the yi. And it looks like you can also, there's a sculptor. I've noticed the names of the sculptors are different. So everyone I look at has a different artist. Well, I don't know if they all have a different artist, but I know that there's a lot of different artists sculpting these. The Nashi, I think Nashi is maybe in Yunming, maybe? Yunnan, Kooning area. Kooning is, Yunnan province has a lot of ethnic minorities. I think Bai is one of those ethnic minorities in Yunnan, I think. But I also noticed that some of these are you know, would be also represented in other countries too. Jingpo. So for example, I've seen, well, here's one right here probably. Achang. I'm not sure where Achang is, but it looks like it's maybe out by way out in Western China. Way out in Western China, there's some Muslim ethnic minority. And then I also saw some other ones around here, like Kazakh and things like that. Kazakhstan, Diang. That one almost looks kind of like that kind of element, like that with the hands, is kind of like something you'd see in Thailand. So that kind of makes me think maybe it's like Yunnan. Wa. Well, it's hard to know which way to go. There's stuff different. I probably won't do all of these, but I'll do some of them anyways. Lahu, this looks like it might be closer to the, I might be doing a stereotype on this one, but it looks like something closer to the India border. I mean, just based on some of the garb. Lisu. So that one looks pretty cool too. That, I'm gonna guess that's probably Western China. The Pumi. This guy has a flute. Yeah, it looks like something that you'd see in Bolivia or something like that. I'm just basing that on the flute though. Let me see, let's check out some other ones. This one is the Naxi. It's quite a few. This one has pretty cool hair or beads. Those are beads. This is called the Yi. So let's just keep on exploring. There's just too many to really follow through with. We've already done those two. There's a bunch of them over there. There's one with a kind of a Vietnamese hat. This one kind of has a kind of a cowboy hat look. And this one has a microphone. And that one is, well, let's check them all out. The microphone has Zhuang. So kind of a karaoke. Let's see what else we got here. This one looks very noble. This one is a Han. So, okay. So the Han is the majority, actually. I guess it could be called ethnic minority. I guess it's just another ethnic part of China. So it'd be the Han, which is more the dominant group, the majority. I think it's something like 85% are Han in China, I think. This one's Hui. You got a pretty impressive beard. Well, let's just keep on checking these out. There's too many here. This one looks, let's see, Tibetan. Oh, actually, Tibetanano, so it's written in Portuguese, but it's from Tibet. I didn't really realize these are written in Portuguese. Kyung. This one looks really cool. See, this almost looks like something you'd see in like Thailand, right? So I'm kind of guessing it might be near the Southeast Asia border with Laos, Myanmar, and Tajik. So Tajikistan is way out there in the west. Well, it's west of China is the countries of Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan and Kyrgyzstan and Turkestan. So I guess they have peoples that are also within China. Salar, that one is pretty cool too. This one, Boan. And this one has an ox or goats, the dew. This one has a nice cool conical hat. Oh, Uyghur, okay. So Uyghur, there's also the Uyghur. So I guess that might be one of the tribes there. Dong Xiong. Okay, let's keep on checking out more. This one is the Tartar Sa. Tartar. Okay, well let's just keep on checking out more of them. The Uzbek, so Uzbekistan would be the nation, and I guess there's a Uzbek minority out in the western China as well. There's a few over here. We can't get over there. They have a border there, so a whole row of these. We're just gonna keep exploring. The Daur. Let's just kind of go in a circle here. Uwenki. There's one with a giant fish over there. I'm gonna guess that must be like that heavy jacket way in the distance. Looks like it's maybe something from maybe close to the Russia border, I guess, maybe. Koreanos, Korean. Oh, that's kind of cool. They get traditional Korean drum. There are a lot of Korean Chinese. The Shi. Nice dancing. This one is the Tujia. That one's kind of interesting one. There's some really nice ones here. Yao. Okay, let's see. This one is a musician one. Gaoshan. Okay. Well, let's just keep on looking. So we're probably gonna miss. I'm not gonna get all these, but I'll try to get at least 50% of them. Mulao. I think most people could find the stuff online anyways, so it's not like anybody's gonna, but it might be interesting just kind of seeing that they have this here in Macau and what it's all about. Moan. Okay. The Li. So let's come around, check this one out. The Jing. Kind of a Vietnamese hat there. You got a couple over here too. So okay, so this is basically a park. It's on the Macau side, if you know what that means. Macau, we usually say Macau side or Taipa side. So Taipa is the southern side of this place we call Macau. It's pretty cool. The Dai, I like that one. And then we're back here at a musician. So we kind of the Blung, kind of a cool name. So okay. Garden that commemorates Hoyin. Okay, well, this is pretty cool. So I think I kind of missed. I kind of went around. I kind of, I didn't thoroughly, because it would be a 20-minute, 30-minute video, and I think you just want to get a taste of it just to see that it's here, right? So okay, hope you enjoyed this one. Chiquinha, chiquinha.